Start by deleting the default cube. Add an icosphere. Add a subdivision modifier and increase it level to 2. Click Apply. Now go into Edit mode and in Edge Select mode. Select the edges forming this pentagon here. Now under Select, choose Select Similar by Length. Change the values to less than 0.004. With the edges selected, bevel them and inset the created faces. Now scale them down slightly. Create a new material and name it White. Selecting the whole mesh, hit Assign. Now create a second material and name it Black. Select the central vertex of this pentagon. Under Select, pick Select More. Repeat 2 times. Then select Similar by Face Area. Click Assign. Pick Black as the color. Shade Smooth the mesh. Now, add a bevel modifier, increase its number of segments to 3 and hit Apply.